Suggestion lang to ni Jose. From this to
Vietnam.
Hi guys, welcome to Inner Garden. We're trying to find a Filipino restaurant here in Scotland. See you.
Lovely one. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper.
Let's go now. Thank you.
Oh, there you go. Lovely.
Oh, hey.
Hi, we love salt and pepper.
Oh. See you guys. Have a good day.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Dadrom, kasama ako. Hey guys, welcome here at Invergarden, Scotland. And we are trying to find a Filipino restaurant somewhere here. So, see you later. Bye. I see you later. Bye. See you later. We found it, guys. Filipino restaurant in Scotland called Kain and Co. What would you like to eat?
Tortang talong.
Tortang talong in English is... Ay, hindi mo alam?
Ano?
Eggplant omelette.
Yan na pala, oh.
Yun, ang ganda ng ano. There you go.
Yun,
Hey, nadali din.
sino para malaman na naglilinis lang sa ito pero mayaman pala.
Ito talaga.
Chibis po, may chibis. Naglilinis ako.
Hello, te. Kamusta? Welcome to my vlog.
Hello! Welcome to Kainin
Ayun,
ko.
sabi ko na, may tortang talong.
Yo, there you go.
Available for tortang talong. Tortang talong.
Kakaingit naman kayo mag-asawa. Ganda ng negosyo nyo.
At saka po ginisang munggo.
Saan ka sa atin, te?
La Union,
Ay, Ilocana. Matagal ka na dito?
22 years na kami ni Kuya dito.
Hi. These are the rich people of our cruise ship. With the new owner of Ambassador Anita. Pagmana mga sir. Shoutout muna, shoutout. Are.
Oh, shout out kay Luis.
Luis ng
Luis Ambog.
yung are, shoutout wala. Mga chicks natin diyan, mga
Shoutout nga pala yung mga taga Bicol dyan, ha? Kung masarap magluto.
wow, ragon yo. Oh, umorder ako laing eh.
Teka, munggo at talong. Oh. Sayon. Munggo at talong.
Kala ko may... Ako yaman na.
Boys.
Mabilis lang yan. Yun!
Eggplant with the...
Made in Scotland. Scotland. Come Scotland. Hey, ang galing.
Eggplant with the...
Hindi ka nagkagal?
Eggplant with...
Ate, magkano yung sabi?
With the egg. Bright eggplant with egg.
Tatanong sa akin.
Tanong, tsaka yung...
Sisig.
Bigyan ako ng tip ng isang kasabi. Tinulungan ko bang humila ng... Sa amin, sumunod lang.
Opo.
Ingat. Nice.
Kita-kita lang sa Pilipinas.
Yes!
Uwi na pala itong mga ito.
Sir, kasasampa ko lang yan. Pauwi na.
Sir, kamusta naman sa naman sa Scotland?
Okay lang, tahimik. Nakita mo naman.
Okay.
Busy lang pag ano.
Bicol ba tayo? Sa Bicol ka?
Hindi, sa Nueva Ecija.
May Ecija. Ayos.
Nagbo-vlog ka ba? Ano mo yung
Kain ko.
sa
Nako.
at ano rin kita.
Subscribe natin, sir.
Oo.
Okay, salamat. Kainan ko sa
Invergordon Port.
Invergordon Port, Scotland. Nice. Ayos.
Order munggo lain.
Yan, sige. Ayos.
Pinapesa pa.
Ayos ba taratang talang?
Munggo.
Well guys, there you have it. Our journey here in Invergordon, Scotland, and I bought some chips from the Philippines and takeaway food for our adopted child.
Adopted child.
Our adopted special child to Bambam, some siomai, and we're heading back to the ship. All right, our next destination is in Kirkwall. We've been there before, and IPM is real. So, see you on the next vlog. Bye-bye! Like and subscribe! Mabuhay!
Best wishes to both of you.
Yes, shout out, bilis!
Teka lang.
Ano ba? Ako naman, uy! Ano? Kagulo na naman.
Let me take you down, 'cause I'm going to Strawberry Fields.